Hopefully your news is all good. This time with me Maggie Florencita Allen with this news relate to a student from Yogyakarta Muhammadiyah University who comes from the Bangka Belitung Island who become a victim of mutilation.
Introduction. In homicide, mutilation is an act of cutting off the victim's body parts. This mutilation has the purpose of eliminating traces of the murder. The Criminal Code Article 338 and Article 340 are the basis for sentencing perpetrators of mutilation crimes, but these two articles do not regulate and explain in detail about mutilation. Due to the absence of regulation that specifically regulate mutilation murder, the perpetrators of mutilation are subject to the same articles of perpetrators of the ordinary murder and premeditated murder. Therefore, the problem that will be used in this paper is how the crime of murder with mutilation in Indonesian criminal law. The research method used is normative juridical method by using legislation approach and case approach. The result of the research obtained are the crime of murder with mutilation should be specific regulation in the legislation so that there are special differences for the perpetrators so as to provide protection and security to the community.
The tragic event in Sleman District, Yogyakarta may involve factors such as the social and psychological environment of the individual involved. In further investigation, authorities and criminal research will try to identify factors that might have played a role in the incident, such as the motivation of the perpetrator and the relationship dynamics between the victim and the perpetrator. The possibility that the perpetrator might have been influenced by various factors in both his family and friendship environment.
For chronology, a tragic incident that occurred in Yogyakarta, precisely in Sleman Regency, has recently shocked the mass media. The incident occurred to one of the students from the University of Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. Redo Tri Agustian, or often called Redo, is a victim who was reported missing since Tuesday, July 11, 2023, while on Wednesday, July 12, 2023. One of the body part of the victim was found in the Turn Sleman neighborhood. Redo Tri Agustian is a second semester student majoring in law who was 20 years old at the time.
It is known that the two perpetrators of the mutilation are 29 years old, Waliyin, and a friend of the perpetrator with the initial RD, 38 years old. According to the police information, the victim and the two suspects knew each other. The three of them are also members of a social media group. The police said that the contents of the group were natural. Before the meeting of the three at the boarding house in the Karapiak area Tiharaja, Sleman Regency, suspect Waliyin also invited his friend with initial RD from Jakarta to come to Yogyakarta. However, it is not known whether the incident took place at Waliyin's boarding house or elsewhere. Long story short, then three men engaged in natural activities that eventually led the victim death. It is suspected that the motive for the murder case began with the engaging in natural activities, namely having sex. But the activity ended in violence due to the coercive nature of Waliyin and RD. But Redo refused to do so, resulting in a tragic ending that made Redo die. Some also argue that the mutilation was carried out to eliminate the trace of the perpetrators of the violence committed against the victim.
The message of this incident is the importance of maintaining personal safety and choosing friends and looking for association that contains activities that are useful for themselves, not deviating from what is appropriate. Always be careful when interacting with strangers. The impression from this event is that life is precious, and acts of violence can never be justified. We must always work to prevent acts of violence and respect the rights of every individual.
A takeaway from this incident is the importance of our role in drug investigation crime, as well as the enforcement of public awareness to give them and those around themselves. All parties must work together to prevent similar cases of violence in the future.